Hello there, YouTubers again. How are you? Alright, cast iron pans have been in about 260 degrees now for about 20 minutes. And I got two of them in there because this is what I usually season them at, and I use avocado oil because it has a high smoke point, so at least it won't smoke up the house, and it'll season the cast iron pans. Okay, then I'll take as much oil out as I can, and then I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to put it on the propane burner and get it under really high heat and we'll go from there. Ciao.